Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel At Home with Morgan. Today we are doing a fall decorate with me part 1, kicking off my fall decor series with this video. So if you are in need of all of the fall decor inspiration and motivation, I've got you and your little pumpkin hearts covered right here in today's video. Alright you guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be doing a little bit of like a life update and kind of chat through some of the decor that I'm doing. So first things first, where have I been? I've been getting so many DMs and messages and comments. You guys are so sweet. So last month I got a new job, or another job I should say. I've been staying at home with my kids, but now that they are starting school, Ryker went to preschool full-time, Kaya went to kindergarten full-time. I did want to do the videos full-time, but I was really craving like doing some accounting work again. So I did take a position doing some accounting work, and I absolutely love where I'm at right now. You guys, I am so obsessed with my job, and I have had some not so fun experiences with my positions in the past, and for the first time in a long time, first time ever, I should really say, I feel like I just belong, and I absolutely love where I'm working. So that's kind of where I've been. I've been focusing in on my new position, and I really just do YouTube at night like I used to. If you guys are OGs from my personal channel, you'll know that I started my YouTube channel out, my personal channel, while I was working full-time, and I did these videos at night and on the weekends, and that's kind of what I'm going back to right now. Still going to be uploading once a week on this channel for all of your home decor and cleaning and organization, and I'm even going to be doing some meal prep and grocery haul videos for you here on this channel. Everything like home related is going to be right here for you guys. Now, if you want to see working mom day in the life videos, or just like clothing supplies, back to school hauls, all of the things like that are mommy related, I should say, are over on my personal channel. So I will leave that link down below for you guys. And I do have some health updates for you, because in addition to getting this new job last month, I have been sick, and I'm typically a very healthy person. I do get a lot of UTIs, you guys, just being transparent with you, and I do want to dive into that journey a little bit of like how I'm finding this new health and like getting rid of my UTIs over on my personal channel. And then we also did have a cold come through the house, which we haven't had a cold since last September, so pretty dang good in today's world. So that is where I've been. I've been a little bit sick, and I've been getting used to a new job, and it was my birthday and Labor Day weekend, and all of the fun things have happened. So now let's hop into the decorating and what I'm doing and why this is a part 1. So most of what you're seeing here has now been torn down. So I really contemplated on actually posting this video, because I'm so excited. It's a huge announcement. We have completely renovated our main floor, and I've been trying to keep it a secret and just posting a video with a surprise for you guys, but I couldn't hold it in anymore. And since it's all completely redone, of course, my decorations have all been completely moved around or redone as well. So I wanted to still post this video though, because if anybody wants to get some ideas from this video or the new video, you have a couple of ideas for me and my channel this fall. I know a lot of you don't actually decorate for fall until mid to late September, which is just fine. I decorated at the end of August. I like to use that back to school season as a good excuse to get into the fall mode and decorate. I think that it just creates this really cozy, homey atmosphere for the kids, especially in that back to school season. You know, candles to come home to, and maybe some like fresh pumpkin bread, a really cozy decorated house for them to come home to and really snuggle in. It's just, this is one of my most favorite times of the year, because yes, it's busy with school activities, but it tends to slow down a little bit as far as like plans. So we are home most weekends versus being away and traveling, etc., like we are during the summertime. So I don't know about you guys, but fall and winter are my hibernation months, and I absolutely love making my house nice and cozy and warm and comfy, something that I can just really snuggle up into and get super comfy. So I got a lot of these decor pieces, these new decor pieces from Michael's. I haven't been there in a long time, but they had some really cool like boho pieces, and I wanted to incorporate them into this like mantle shelf situation that's going on. You can tell I'm really wanting to do the boho feel. I'm just really not knowing how to coordinate my decorations. So if you guys are anything like me, I will go back and forth. You'll see me in this video. I go back and forth so many times on this mantle and over on the shelves that are in the dining room. I go back and forth a lot. So I know like right here, this does not look good. Okay, it's really busy. There's a lot going on, but I really like to feel things out and like get to know my decor pieces. It's like such a process for me to decorate. I can see it in my head and what I want it to look like, but I have just a bunch of miscellaneous pieces, and since we were going to be putting a lot of our money into renovating this main floor, I did not want to put a bunch of money into new decor pieces. So I just got a few pieces from Michael's, and then the rest of it just came from my fall stash. I've got several bins in my storage area that have a ton of fall supplies, but overall, what I really wanted to achieve was this homey boho feel. I'm somewhere in between like a modern boho and a cottagecore. It's really kind of a bizarre like decor style, but I feel like the two blend seamlessly if done correctly. So stick with me because I will be trying to incorporate more cottagecore style items into my modern boho house. So stay tuned, like I said, because there's a lot of really fun surprises coming up for you guys. But anyway, I'm just gonna let you enjoy for a little bit, and then I will give you a little bit more like sneak peeks and behind the scenes here in a minute about what we are doing for renovations in the house and how we budget those things out, etc. So like I promised, I'm gonna give you guys kind of like not a visual sneak peek, but I'm gonna verbally tell you guys a little bit about what's going on. A lot of what's been happening, I've been swapping out rugs. Our furniture for the most part has stayed, and I know a lot of you are really waiting to see my office tour, because since I'm working from home now, working for this really amazing company, I needed to have a really good home office setup. I already had my computer, but I wanted to replace my dual screen. I had another older screen I was using, and I ordered a new Mac, like an actual desktop Mac, which is really, really nice for editing at night now too. It's so amazing, because I have this really nice big screen, but there's a lot of changes that have been made to the main floor. And we like to do a lot of this work ourselves. My husband and I own M&M Rustics, which is a furniture building business. We have a lot of woodworking experience, and we have just kind of basically YouTubed our way through a lot of these renovations with the skill set that we already have. My husband has a lot of construction experience. He works in the construction field. He is a manager in the construction field, project manager. So he, leading up to him being a project manager, he did a lot of on-hand stuff such as installing flooring. He worked in the cement fly ash field, and now he currently works in an insulation field, and he knows just so much being on site on a bunch of new construction home sites. He's able to see how a lot of these things are done in the process, such as framing, electrical, etc. And we are very lucky, and my brother actually went to school for electric, and he has a ton of electric experience. So we usually turn to him when we have to move an outlet, or if we need to move a Cat 5 cable for like our Wi-Fi hookup. So he is our go-to for electric stuff, but everything else, Mike has really, really awesome tips. And actually he has a channel here on YouTube as well, and that is our M&M Rustics YouTube channel, also linked down below, and he has a ton of step-by-step DIYs coming out for you guys in regards to how to build your own table and how to shiplap and all of these fun things. So make sure that you're subscribed to him down below so that you can follow along on our house renovations. I can't wait to share it with you guys here on my channel, but that is going to wrap it up for today's Fall Decorate With Me Part 1. I will have Part 2 up next Friday to inspire you guys for the first week of fall. So stay tuned for all of the fall goodness coming up, and check out our other channels linked down below, and we will see you guys next Friday. Okay, bye you guys.